Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to connect your Bluetooth headphones to a Nintendo Switch without using an adapter. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using my AirPods. It doesn't matter which Bluetooth headphones you're using, as long as they're Bluetooth, you are good to go. So the first step is on your Nintendo Switch, I want you to open up System Settings, then scroll to the very bottom and make sure you have the Bluetooth audio toggle. If you don't see this toggle, tap on System, then tap on System Update and update your Nintendo Switch to the latest software version. Next, tap on Bluetooth audio and then tap on add device. Next, you need to put your Bluetooth audio device into pairing mode. Now, depending on your device, the process will be different. If you don't know the process, just search up your Bluetooth headphones and then how to pair them. And then what you do is you just follow those instructions. For the AirPods, you just want to open up the lid and then you want to find the white button at the back. You want to hold that white button down and still you see the white LED. Once the white LED starts flickering, this means that my AirPods are now in pairing mode. So this will actually take up to a minute for the AirPods to be recognized or your Bluetooth headphones to be recognized by the Nintendo Switch. I don't know what drivers they're using, but they aren't the best. So what you want to do is once you see your Bluetooth headphones, just tap on them. And you can see right here, connecting to Bluetooth audio. Give it a little bit and you can see, boom, just like that, connected to Bluetooth audio. And we'll just tap on OK. And that means we've successfully connected our Bluetooth headphones to our Nintendo Switch. And I mean, it's quite obvious that there is no adapter. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for brand new. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.